Did you know that nearly all the products you buy are designed to fail sooner than they should? Welcome to the world of planned obsolescence. In this video, we'll uncover how and why it affects our economy. Planned obsolescence is a strategy where products are intentionally designed with short, useful lives, prompting frequent replacement. This practice was first formalized by industrialist Alfred P. Sloan in the early 20th century. Alfred Packard identified two types of planned obsolescence, functional and psychological. Functional obsolescence makes products less useful over time, while psychological obsolescence makes them seem outdated. Critics argue that planned obsolescence fosters a constant need for new products, leading to increased waste and resource depletion. However, supporters claim it drives innovation and economic growth. Economically, planned obsolescence is a double-edged sword. While it stimulates consumer spending and business profits, it also can increase consumer debt and environmental costs. It's said that 99% of products are designed to be obsolete before their time. This strategy aims to ensure continuous sales, which some argue is crucial for economic growth and innovation. Despite its benefits, the environmental impact of planned obsolescence raises significant concerns. As consumers become more aware of these issues, there's a growing push for sustainable alternatives. So, how do you feel about planned obsolescence? Is it necessary for economic growth, or does its impact outweigh the benefits? Share your thoughts in the comments.